Hi everyone. In this video, we'll be checking how to enable kids mode and what are the features we have with kids mode and how to restrict the application and limit the application that will be available with kids mode, and that will be completely different than the normal mode which we are using now. The TV is in the normal mode right now. So to do that you have to follow a few setup instruction to add a new kids mode window to your TV, and make sure to maintain the password which or we can say pin which you are using to create this kids mode, because this is something very important. If you forget that, maybe we'll be facing some issue to come back to normal mode. So let's see how to use this kids mode. So first of all, quickly you can go to setting. By the way, I'm using my remote, so I hope in my another video you guys are completely aware about how to use the remote and what are the features we have with this particular remote for this 55-inch TV. So please check how we can create a kids mode and how to turn on that, how to get exit from the kids mode and all. So first of all, you need to go to setting option. So under setting, see, there will be a lot of options. Like if you go down, you can select more setting, and from more setting you can go directly to kids mode. Okay, after usage and diagnostic, kids mode option will be there. So you can click OK, and you'll be getting an option like create kids mode. Okay, so if you click on that, see, first of all it will ask you to set a pin. So I'll be selecting a pin over here. So I'm just selecting 1 2 3 4, as simple as that. You can use your remote to enter the pin. So now just I have created the pin, and see, it is asking for allowed application, like what are the application you want to be available with kids mode. So a lot of applications are there, so even you can enable everything from here. See, everything is enabled. Otherwise you can disable everything. Otherwise you can select some specific application like Geo 7. I'll apply 2 3 application, Netflix and Prime Video. Okay, so apart from that, you can turn on your location or you can turn off that based on your convenient. So I'll turn on the location. Now I'll click on the back button. Okay, so this is the back button. So already you have completed activity with allowed application window. You have already given permission for few specific application. Now we can set the time limit also here, and based on time limit the kids mode will work. So you can set the time limits. Now it is set to none, so otherwise you can set it to 2 hours, 1 hours or 30 minutes. Eye protection you can enable if you enable this mode. So in display we have a feature called eye protection that will be by default enabled in the kids mode. Otherwise you can disable that. So I'll disable it. And change pin, definitely if you want to change your pin, in that case you need to enter your old pin first, so your kids will not be able to change pin until unless the old pin is he knows about the old pin. What is the old pin? He will not be able to change the current pin code. You can change it, use your old pin, then you can re-enter your new pin and you can set a new pin for this kids mode. So there is an option called delete kids mode. You can delete this kids mode. You can select on that, and if you want to delete again, you need to select your pin code to delete that. Okay, so let's see. This is the option to enter into the kids mode. You can select and see it is asking like switching to kids mode. So it will take some time. Let's see how much time it will take. So I guess this is on. Yes, this is on. See, whatever the application we have enabled, those are available only. Okay, and if you want to customize channel and oxygen play, you can enable over here. Okay, going to back, and apart from that, if you want to add anything on this favorite application bar, so some basic applications are only available like Geo 7, Bluetooth stereo. These features are available. Play Store, OnePlus Pictorial, File Browser. These are the basic things. Those are available. Apart from that, nothing is visible. So suppose now I want to install YouTube, or I want to access YouTube on this. That is not accessible on kids mode because I am not allowing that. So let's try that. Open YouTube. So let's try again. Open YouTube. So I'm trying using my voice assistant. So it is asking here YouTube on the Google Play Store. Let's check if we can install that. See, it is saying like you don't have permission to use Google Play Store. As simple as that. As I am not allowing that, you will not be able to install it. So this is what is kids mode, and same features like customizing screen, you can do that. And suppose now you want to exit from the kids mode. So Google Assistant is available, keyboard is available, input you can definitely select from this option. You can connect to different Wi-Fi. Okay, and definitely you can go to setting and see there are minimal setting options are only available. So kids mode, bug report, location, so some of the major settings are not available over here. So if you want to go to kids mode again and you want to exit the kids mode, you need to enter the pin, otherwise you will not be able to exit. So same thing from here also, you can exit the kids mode if you know the pin. Otherwise you can go back to home screen, and this option restricted profile, you can click on this and you can exit kids mode from here also. So this is how we can add different applications to kids mode. This is how we can launch it. This is how we can exit. And as I mentioned, you need to set pin number before you create a kids mode, and definitely you will be needing the same pin code to exit from kids mode. So I'll do that exit now. I'll click on this and exit kids mode. Let's see how it will work. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, it is switching to owner, means it is going back to the default mode, and here it is. So quickly we can enter into kids mode and quickly we can access and we can use that feature. And now I will be deleting the kids mode on the system. I'll go to setting. I will go to more setting, kids mode, and now see it is option giving like enter kids mode, so I'll not enter this time. I'll delete it. So while you delete that, you need that particular pin number. So same pin number, and see this is deleted. So you'll be getting an option now to create a kids mode. Okay, that's how we can configure and we can use kids mode on OnePlus TV.